say some of the intentions before God. Your responsibility, hear our prayers, O God.
ಮನಗಳು ನಿನ್ನ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಈ ಕರಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ನಿನ್ನದೇ ಪ್ರಭುವೇ.
Master, staff members and my dear students. Today a joyous day that is life in our school. Past 2 months you are not here and we are worried about you because our school was lifeless. And today it is full of life. So I first of all welcome you all to this new academic year, dear staff members and my dear students. The day we have been waiting for is finally here. Welcome back to the school. As we step into this new academic year, let's embrace the opportunity to learn, to grow and inspire one another. Whether you are a student eager to explore new subjects or staff members ready to empower young minds, know that your contributions make our school community truly special. Together let's make this new academic year one of creativity and endless possibilities. Yes, to have fantastic reopening day and even better school year ahead. Especially I welcome the new students, those who have come first time to the school this year. Be happy, make others happy. Through you, we too are happy. This academic year may be a fruitful year. I pray the Almighty may He bless you all, may He keep you good health, and may He bless all our staff members. I congratulate the staff and the students of last year 2023-24, especially the SSLC batch, for securing 95% result. Congratulations dear students. I suppose they are not here, but I congratulate all the staff members. I wish and pray this year we will try to get 100% because only 5% less that we can achieve this year. So from the beginning I request for the staff members and the SSLC students try hard to get 100%. So I wish you all the best. I pray for you. May God bless you. Thank you.
Light of the world, you step down into darkness. Open my eyes, let me see beauty that made this heart adore you. Hope of a life spent with you. Here I am to worship. Here I am to bow down. Here I am to say that you're my God. You're altogether lovely, altogether worthy, altogether wonderful to me. King of all days, oh so highly exalted, glorious in heaven above.
Correspondent, Reverend Father Benjamin Pinto, Senior Staff Member, staff and my dear student, good morning and welcome back to school after your summer holidays. Good morning, students. We are all gathered here at St. Aloysius School today to start the new academic year 2024-2025. On behalf of our correspondent, our management and our staff, I extend a heartfelt welcome to all of you, my dear students. Let us aim to promote the school motto, Sheila, it is character, Shistu, it is discipline, Shikshana, it is education. In this academic year, and resolve to learn effectively with determination. Let us follow the teachings of our school patron, St. Aloysius. What you are singing in school anthem, and try to become excellent students of St. Aloysius Gurwa. We need God's grace for this endeavor. While I pray for you all, please pray for our teachers and our staff. May this new academic year be prosperous and successful for all of you, especially for 10th standard students. May God bless us